Hi, I'm Beatrice with BakeDeco, and today I'm going to be showing you how I created this red cake drip using our Roxy Rich chocolate red drip. So this was in the microwave for about 30 seconds, and you want to pour it over an already chilled cake so that it doesn't melt your cake. So we're going to get started. So you want to make sure that your bottle is shaken, and you are just going to start by letting it drip down the side of the cake. So for a longer drip, you are going to apply more pressure and allow more chocolate to come out of your bottle. And for a short drip, you're going to apply minimal pressure. And you just want to do this around your cake until your cake is completely covered. Once your drip is completed, you want to go ahead and pour some of the chocolate over the top of your cake. Next, we're going to take an offset spatula and we're just going to smooth out the top so that the chocolate blends. And you want to do this while the chocolate is still warm so that it blends nice and smooth. And that is how you do a drip on a cake.